25 important prepositions along with simple examples for each. 26. Like. He swims like a fish. 27. Near. The store is near the park. 28. Of. A cup of tea is on the table. 29. Off. She took her shoes off at the door. 30. On. The book is on the shelf. 31. Onto. The cat jumped onto the roof. 32. Opposite. The bank is opposite the post office. 33. Out. They went out for a walk. 34. Outside. The kids are playing outside. 35. Over. The plane flew over the mountains. 36. Past. They walked past the bakery. 37. Round. The earth revolves round the sun. 38. Through. She looked through the window. 39. Throughout. He traveled throughout Europe. 40. 2. She gave the gift to her mother. 41. Toward. They are walking toward the park. 42. Under. The cat is hiding under the bed. 43. Underneath. The lizard is hiding underneath the rock. 44. Until. She stayed awake until midnight. 45. Up. The balloons are floating up. 46. Upon. The bird landed upon the roof. 47. With. He went to the park with his friends. 48. Within. The answer is within the book. 49. Without. She did her homework without help. 50. Worth. The painting is worth a lot of money. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Sun Wheel Academy. Content is prepared by Chakra.